Hi, welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn calendar questions which are very helpful for all competitive exams. Aptitude mastering is important for success in any exam. From beginning of the childhood, we must focus on developing aptitude kids. Let's start with. So first we are going to deal with the very basics of calendar. So see, 1 week has 7 days. One ordinary year, so one ordinary year has how many days? 365 days. So if we want to find out how many weeks, so just we have to divide by 7, and that's how much it comes. So see, 52 weeks. So it has one ordinary year has 52 weeks, and this one is called one odd number of days. Okay. But when we have leap year, then what will happen? We have 366 days and then same 52 weeks, but 2 odd days, right? So if we are considering ordinary year, we have one odd number of days, and we are considering leap year, then we have 2 odd days. This is the basic concept to start with. Let's go to more basics. Now see, when I say that today is Tuesday, right? So if I say after 2 days, how much day it will be? Wednesday, Thursday. So that means 5 days before, again it will be Thursday, because our week has only 7 days. So 5 plus 2, 7. So you have to understand always that this cycle will be maintained. Now suppose today is Monday. Okay. So after 1 day, how much it will be? After 1 day, suppose after 1 day, I say how much it will be? Tuesday. So plus 1 is Tuesday. Then minus 6 will also be Tuesday, because plus 7 has to be maintained, right? Now suppose I consider Sunday, that today is Sunday. So after 1 day, how much? After, suppose I say after 6 days, how much? So if you don't want to calculate 6 days by counting like Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, you can just think that minus 1. 1 day before it was what? Saturday. So 1 day before was Saturday. So here also it will be Saturday. So only we have to remember that this plus 6 and plus 1 will give you 7 every time. So suppose today is Thursday. So 4 days after will be how much? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That means 3 days back also will be Monday. So this is a very, very important concept to master with, to deal with the calendar. Now see the leap year questions. So which of the following is not a leap year? So for finding the leap year, we divide it by 4. If the number is divisible completely, that means it is a leap year. But the rule varies when it is a century year. Century year means it has 100 as a factor. So suppose we have 800. So here, see, every century year will be divisible by 4. So you cannot think how it will be a leap year. So whenever we have a century year, you have to divide by 400. So now here you see this one is divided by 400, this one is divided by 400, and this one is divided by 400. Only this is not. So this is not a leap year. So see, we'll use that concept and we'll solve all the questions. If today is Thursday, what day of the week would be 16 days from now? So we'll find the odd number of days by dividing by 16. So how much is the odd number of days? 2. So Thursday plus 2. So Thursday plus 2 will be how much? Friday and Saturday. So we get the answer Saturday, right? Similarly, if today is Friday, what day of the week would be 45? So every time you divide by 7, then how much is the odd number of days you have to focus? Odd number days, how much? 3. So that means Friday plus 3. So you can easily say Friday plus 3 will be Monday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So this will be the answer. So this way you can see very easily you can get the answers. Now see this question. If today is Tuesday, what day of the week would be 94 days from now? So just divide. So how much you get? So 13, 7 are 91. So 3. So 3 is the odd number of days. So Tuesday plus 3. So Tuesday plus 3 is how much? Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? So you see, you got Friday, right? Now similarly, if today is Sunday, what day of the week would be 76 days from now? So similarly, we divide by 7 and you got 6 as the remainder. So instead of going plus 6, you can also do minus 1 because that way easier to calculate. So it will be Saturday, right? So see how interesting it is. Now let's go to this question. So when we have today is Monday after 61 days. So what we are going to do? Same method. We are dividing by 7. So 9, 7 is 63. You can take negative remainder. So minus 2 is easier. So Monday and 2 days before. So Saturday. Or if you don't want to do with negative remainder, you can just do 8 times 7, 56. So 5. So Monday plus 5. So Monday plus 5 is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So that also you get Saturday. So either way, whichever you like it. So this is a quiz time. So I hope you will try to attempt it and just put the answer in the comment box. So see you in the comment box. Now you see this question. So first day of the month is Tuesday. So first day is Tuesday. 38 of the same month. So 38 of the same month. So you're not concerned whether it is having 31 days or 38 days. So difference is how much? 29. So when you find the difference as 29, you divide it by 7. So we are only concerned about odd number of digits. So 1. That means Wednesday would be the answer. I hope you are understanding and enjoying it. So see, it says first day of the year other than leap year was Friday. Okay. So first day was Friday. Not a leap year means it has 365 days. How much is the difference? 364 divided by 7. So see, it is completely divisible. You got 52 weeks and 0 days. So 0 days means no odd number of days. So it will be repeated. So it will be Friday only. Now just focus on this question. If 38th day of some year is Wednesday, what would be the 6th day of the some month? So 6th day of the same month. Earlier they are asking. Okay. So same way, first we find the difference and then we divide. So how much you got? Odd number of days is 3. Yes, but we have to work backwards because you see odd number of days is 3, but 38th is Wednesday. So 6 will be how much? Just let me know how much. So odd number of days is 3, but you have to work backwards. So backward from Wednesday, if you do, so Wednesday, then Tuesday, then Monday, then Sunday. So third day will be Sunday. Or if you don't want to go backward, you can go +4 forward. So Wednesday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can do forward, right? So after Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you'll reach at Sunday, right? So you can do +3 either backwards or -4. Means you can do just backwards or you can do forward +4 because 4 and 3 will give you 7. Same concept, right? So this way you can see how easily you can do the questions very easily. Now you see 43rd day of any year is Monday. What day is last day of same year? So see, we don't know it is a leap year or non-leap year. So we consider 365 also and 366 also. So if we have 365, how much is the difference? So difference is 322. So divided by 7. So how much years come? 28, 42. So see, if it is a non-leap year, that means it will fall on Monday only because the remainder is 0. But it is a leap year, then it will fall on Tuesday. So according to the option, you can answer, right? You understand the concept? So see, if it is not mentioned which is the ordinary year or leap year, then we can solve the question like this. Now see this question. Seventh day of the month fall 2 days after Tuesday. That means it fall on which day? Thursday. Now, what day of the month will precede 22 of it? Precede means what? One before. So it will be 21st. So now find the difference. So 21 minus 17 is 14th. So 14 is completely divisible. 0 odd days. So it will fall on the same month, means it will fall on Thursday only, right? So you understand the concept nicely. So this how using the difference concept you can solve any question without remembering any code. So you see here it is given that fourth day of any month was Sunday. So fourth is how much? Sorry, Sunday. So fourth is Sunday and you have to find 27th. So just found the difference. 27 minus 4, 23. Divide by 7. So how much is the odd number of days? 2. So Sunday plus 2, that means Tuesday. And we are done with the answer. So we don't have to do anything. Now see this question. It is saying 289th day of the leap year. 289th day is how much? Wednesday. It is asking about leap year, means it will have 366 days, but it is saying preceding last day. So preceding last will we have in 365 days because 366 will be the last days. So now 289 and 365. So we are going to find the difference between these. So 76 is the difference. Can you see? 76 is the difference. So now it's now divided by 76. So you can see plus 6. So plus 6 is same as minus 1. So if this is Wednesday, then it will fall on Tuesday. Very clear. I have taken more examples so that I can explain you the concept very nicely. Now say 8th day of the year is Wednesday. Now what day is 92nd day? So 92nd day will be what? Again, we'll find the difference. 84. 84 divided by 7. No remainder. No remainder means no odd days. No odd days means same day. Means Wednesday will be Wednesday only. Done. Now see, how many days are there in X weeks, X days? So X weeks will have how many days? X into 7. So 7x days. So total number of days will be 7x plus x. So here you can write 1. That means 8x. So what would be our answer? 8x would be the answer. Just like that. Now see this question. If the 25th of the month of the year is Friday, so 25th of the month is Friday. Right? And now they are asking you about after 50 weeks and 2 days. So 50 weeks will all have divisible by 7, no? Because it will have 350 number of days. So we are not concerned about this. Will not be included in our calculation how much big it is. Even 500, even 7,000, even 8999. We will not waste time in calculating the number of days. because odd number of days is 0. So we are just concerned about 2 days earlier. So 2 days earlier will be what? So this is Friday. 2 days earlier will be Thursday and then Wednesday. So our answer will be just Wednesday. So simple. Now see this question. So here you can see Tuesday, February 8, 2005. Next is what? February 8, 2004. Then you can see month and date is same. Now 2004 is a leap year, means it will have one extra number of days. So total days will be 366. So how much it will be odd number of days? 2 days. So Tuesday, and now we are working backwards because we are asking 2004. So 2 days back. So before Tuesday, 2 days back, Monday and Sunday. So Sunday would be the answer. So we'll not calculate so much. Just we'll see 2004 is a leap year because 2004 is completely divisible by 4. So being a 4 leap year, the total number of days will be how much? 366. 366 if you divide by 7, remainder will be 2. That means 2 will be odd number of days, and so plus 2. Instead of plus 2, since it is backward, you can do plus 5. So Tuesday plus 5 or Tuesday minus 2 will give you Sunday. Hope you are clear very much. Ready for the quiz time? Please attempt it and I'll wait for your answers in the comment box. Now let the concept of this question very much explained to you. So this is another very important technique where we have to find the repetition. Like the calendar for the year 2007 will be the same for the year. So see, whatever be the year, just divide by 4. And you know, last two number, if it is divisible, for divisibility rule of 4, you have to check only for last two digit. So here, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 3. So whenever the remainder will be 3, we are going to add 11. So just see this table. So you are going to add 11. So it will repeat in how much? 2018. So our answer will be 2018. Let's take some more example. So suppose now you have 2020, right? And they ask you when it will repeat. So see 20, it will be completely divisible. So remainder is 0. So how much you will add? You will add 20. So 2048. There are exceptions to this rule. I have tried to cover it in another slide. I'll just discuss with you. Okay. So to concise with, whenever the remainder is 0, because when you are dividing by 4, either the remainder will be 0, remainder will be 1, and remainder will be 2 or 3. So 2 or 3, you have to remember 11. When it has 0 remainder, you have to add 28, and it has 1, then you have to add 6 to the year given. Now suppose year is given, suppose 2014. So 2014, what is the remainder? You will take only the last two digits. Remainder is 2. So we add 11. Now suppose you take 2011. So 2011. So 11 if you divide by 4, how much is the remainder? 3. So again you add 11. So this is a very important technique. You don't have to remember any code. You don't have to calculate the odd number of digit and even number of digit. Just based on this, you can calculate. There are some exceptions to this rule. I'll just discuss that. Just see, the calendar for the year 1472 will be the same after how many years? Now you see this here. If you take 1472, then 72 is completely divisible. That means remainder is 0. So it should repeat after how many years? 1500 years, right? So when it is a century year, okay, then it is no problem. But whenever a non-century year like 1500 cannot be divisible by 400, so it is a non-century year. So whenever a non-century year comes as a solution, so instead of adding 28, we have to add 40 to the answer. That is the exception to this rule. So the calendar will not repeat at 1500, but it will repeat at 1512. So this you have to take care. Whenever a non-century answer will come, you have to just add 40 to it. Just I have written the rule so much nicely so that you can read it very nicely and take a note. And then similarly, when non-century leap year come in between the solution, like suppose you take 1898, okay? So if you take 98 divided by 4, then how much is the remainder? Remainder is 2. That means you should have add 11 to it, right? So 8 plus 1, 9, and then 1909. But no. So whenever this type of things is coming, so you can see 1900 is a non-century year, which is coming in between the answer. So in that case, we have to add 12. You have to be alert with this. I'm taking this on as a very high concept, which generally is not us. You'll have to only remember these things. But sometime if you get some options where 28 adding doesn't go, just check with 40. Similarly, when 11 adding doesn't go, just check with 12, because it may have a non-century year in between, and here it may have a non-century year as an answer. That's it. And then you will be able to do any questions of this type. If you feel any queries, just feel free to ask me, right? So we'll be again sharing another calendar tricks and another aptitude questions, maths, reasoning ability, and Olympiad problem. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay connected with us. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.